6 a.m. Amtrak left the Seattle station. Rudy Wetzel began his journey home to Centralia. I spoke with him on board.
And you said you're a commuter down to Centralia, so this is a nice option for you.
Yes, it certainly is. It gives me more time to get my job done in Centralia and continue on.
Minutes after we talked, I exited, but Rudy kept going. And he was here in car 3, seat 15, when Amtrak 501 derailed.
It's just total shock. I thought initially it was an explosion.
12 hours after I met him, Rudy spoke with us from his hospital bed in Olympia.
I was trying to sleep, and when the crash occurred, and it was totally dark, and I could only see a little bit, I felt that any minute, this whole thing was going to collapse on me.
He broke his back in multiple places, but the 81-year-old still managed to crawl out of the wreckage.
It was a short, very scary thing.
He had nothing but praise for those who came to his rescue.
It was very professional. Everybody was nice and very hardworking. It was just horrible. I've seen car wrecks before, but I have never seen anything quite like this.
Rudy is a very tough man, a retired Los Angeles police officer with a wonderful family. They reached out to me yesterday. They were by his bedside all day in Olympia. And you know what he told me? He said he plans to ride the train again, despite the devastating day yesterday here in DuPont. Jake and Amity.